Word of the day.
Word of the day. Amahubo 103 athi mubonge uJehova mphefumulo wami. Konke okungaphathi malibonge igama lakhe. Ngithi number 2. uNkulunkulu umalusi wakho angikwesela. Konke okungaphathi malibonge igama lakhe. Number 3. Ungambukeli kumngane wakho, just be yourself. Bye.
Word of the day ithi uma uyibona ukuthi uphansi awuyiboni ukuthi uphansi ngempela kodwa uThixo uzokubeka azokubeka la ku the level le that you want. If you think that God is ignoring you, it doesn't mean that uNkulunkulu uyakuziba. uNkulunkulu usadinga isikhathi sokuthi afeze lamaphupho lawo afuna ngiyabonga.
Sanibonani igama lami nguMhlengakhanya. I-word of the day yami ithi ubayithemba lapho hlezi khona ube ne-confident ngaso sonke isikhathi.
Mina malume sanibonani abantu bangazi bangijayela. I-word of the day yami ukuthi njengoba sifaka ama-exam zethembe uthembe uNkulunkulu ufunde izizwe bebaningi.
Sanibonani igama lami Ziphelele. Namuhla ngizosho word of the day. Respect yourself before you respect others. Uyinakekele as umntwana wakini futhi urespect abazali abadala.
Sanibonani igama lami uNkosazana Sibongo Kabuthelezi. I-word of the day namuhla ithi never force someone to love you but force your dream to come true.
Yes. Wow.